The numbers tell a story, but if they're messy, they tell the wrong one. And that wrong story can unwittingly cost you real money. So tell me this, are you comfortable with that risk? Not long ago, I reviewed the books for a locally owned restaurant with multiple locations. On the surface, looked fine. Sales steady, expenses tracked, owner feeling good. Then we opened the balance sheet, and a payroll liability account showed thousands in tips still owed to employees. Come to find out, those tips had already been paid out through payroll. Nothing was actually owed. On paper, though, it looked like the business was carrying debt that didn't exist. That one line item misrepresented the company's health and almost stalled their next location. 3 hidden costs of messy books. 1. Missed opportunities. If your finances look tight, you delay growth. New hires, a new location, better equipment. That's real opportunity cost. 2. Lost time. You chase ghosts, balances and liabilities that aren't real. Hours disappear. No gold star for heroic spreadsheet sprints. 3. Unclear decisions. When the data isn't reliable, you default to caution or create cash flow stress for the wrong reason. Either way, ROI suffers. How clean books? Create clarity and possibility. Step 1. Review your balance sheet monthly. P&L alone won't cut it. A 30-minute balance sheet ritual helps you spot phantom items, like tip liabilities that were already paid. Step 2. Reconcile payroll and tip reporting. If your payroll system auto-disperses tips, make sure the ledger mirrors reality. Map payroll items correctly and confirm the liability clears. Step 3. Use a simple financial review checklist. Receivables, liabilities, cash balances, tax withholdings, same sequence every month. Clarity loves consistency. Step 4. Automate. Bank rules, recurring entries, scheduled reports, you name it. Let systems do the heavy lifting so you can work on the business, not in it. Step 5. Don't do it alone. A world-class bookkeeper or fractional CFO can sanity check your numbers quarterly. Fresh eyes find expensive assumptions. When the books are clean, clarity grows. And when clarity grows, possibilities open up. Better pricing, smarter hiring, faster yes, no decisions. If you're ready to see what clean books could unlock for your business, dip your toe in the water at mastensolutions.com. The numbers tell a story, and the clearer they are, the more confident you'll be about what really matters.